Alright, so here we have the brand new Insta360 X5, and we're also recording on an X5. So we have my angle as well as Frank's angle, as well as Carrie Bird watching. We can make a two-shot of us, or I think we can even go tiny planet just like that. What? A few things that stand out about this camera. One, it has a much
Yo, what's up guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Samahan nyo ako today. Punta tayo ng Best Buy. 10 o'clock, just opened. April 22nd. Ay, meron na naman tayong gas. Kailangan ng gas ni Vespa. At ako meron akong gas. What is gas? Gear Acquisition Syndrome. Oh my God. Thanks Potato Jet and the rest of YouTube for talking about the new Insta360 X5. Oh my gosh, here we go again. So may mga bagong features yung X5, and I figured why not test it out, I guess, right? So far, I think the main thing is camera sensor has upgraded. Hindi ko alam yung actual specs, pero maraming video dyan, panoorin nyo na lang. Pero so far, ang pinaka eye-catching doon is yung pure video mode, kagaya ng ginagamit natin sa Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And yung night shots ng camera na to is really impressive, na hindi mo na maisabay yung 360 dito sa camera na to. So ngayon, we're gonna try and test that out, na hopefully maganda yung kakalabasan nung kanilang bagong feature. And also, battery life, basta kung ano-ano pa. So samahan nyo ako today. Nandito tayo sa Best Buy. Obviously, kakabukas lang nila. I checked, I could have ordered online. It's gonna take 2 to 3 business days. Pero I don't know why I checked Best Buy, kasi normally dito naman ako bumibili ng mga electronic gadgets natin. They have it in stock daw. So let's see. Samahan nyo ako today. Tignan natin kung talagang meron na ngang in stock. One other cool feature ng 360 X5 is the audio. So mas maganda na yung microphone niya. Meron siyang wind guard reduction or some stuff like that. And hopefully hindi tayo ma-disappoint sa bago X5. So now we just have to find it, kung saan nila nilagay. Doon tayo sa mga camera. Here we go. That's the X5 right there.
No, but these are all X3 and X4 data goes right here. And the Ace, but no X4.
No, X5.
No X5. That's what I'm saying. All we have is X4. Okay, there we go.
So it's only one?
Only the one.
Only the one.
They made the box way smaller too.
Yeah,
Anything else you needed?
that's it. Just go up front. Well, just like that, it's in and out. We do have the item. Good to go. Thank you, sir. I guess we got lucky. Tayo lang yung nakakuha. Walang nakapila for the item. I guess not a lot of people really wants the X5 for now. Pero isa lang meron sila dito sa store na to. So let's go back home and do some tests and maybe play around with it. And tignan natin kung ano yung mga bagong features niya. Alright, let's go. Kapit natin to uli sa bike. Okay, so now nakuha natin yung sarili nating gas. Etong si Vespa naman ang lagyan natin ng gas, kasi wala na, naubos na yung bar. So yun nga yung mga ibang features na napanood natin kanina dun sa mga influencer. Nadali tayo ng influencer, na-influensyahan din tayo. And hindi naman nakakabit yung helmet strap natin. First is the audio is really good. You know, bigger sensor, longer life yung battery, Tapos yung pinaka main part ng upgrade ng X5 for me, like I said, was gonna be the pure video mode. So pwede na natin siyang gamitin sa gabi ulit with matching with our Ace Pro 2. So hopefully, sana talaga is ganun nga talaga kaganda. Alright, mag-gas muna tayo. Huwag nating kalimutan tanggalin to at baka mga may gasolina. Huwag kang umapaw, serye. Last year pa tayo huling umapaw, serye. Paw, serye. Shit, yung paglinis ni Mr. Syrup Vlogs, ni Max Garage Detailing, magagalit sa atin yun. Ceramic coating niya to eh. Bilis nga mapunasan. Galing. Thank you, Mr. Syrup Vlogs, for my ceramic coating. Shout out DJ DLS and Mr. Soprano. Hell yeah. Alright, so both gas acquired. Gas sa akin at gas sa motor. Balik na tayo sa bahay. Paglaruan natin yung X5. We have the whole day off to figure that out. I'm sure it's not gonna be hard to transition from the X4 to the X5. Figure out lang natin yung mga bagong features niya. And yun nga, isa pa pala magandang feature ng X5 is you don't have to worry about the lens. Kasi pag nagasgasan mo yung lens, pwede mo na siyang palitan. I think the lens is $30. It will give you one. It comes as a kit. Medyo mahal din, pero at least hindi mo na kailangan ipadala sa Insta360 yung buong camera. And you have to wait, you have to pay them, tapos shipping pa. Ngayon, you can just order the part, replace it yourself, and boom, you're good to go. Alright, we are finally home. Nakuha natin yung gas ng motor at yung gas natin sa Insta360 X5. I hope this is nice, but it looks good, it looks promising, so we'll see what happens. Tuloy natin to and hopefully tonight we can test out the pure video mode para makita natin kung maganda nga siya talaga sa gabi. So, by the way, this is not a sponsored video. Insta360, baka naman.
I get the money and it's right on cue. Keep the duffel bag up inside my coupe. Hold a couple racks, tell them I love you. You wanna be a boss, do it like I do. Yeah. Get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. You now rockin' with the best.
Right now we're testing on X4. This is how it sounds. Kung naririnig yung volume na to, kasama yung background ng motor. And let's switch over to the X5. Ayan, kamusta yung volume? Kamusta yung sound? Is it better? Is it cleaner? Naka-on yung naka-on yung wind reduction nito. So hopefully it's better. Okay, click tayo. Alright, so that concludes our sound test, audio test. So hopefully later masubukan naman natin yung pure video mode ng X5. And I think yun lang naman ang kailangan ko, doon ko lang naman magagamit tong camera na to pagka nagra-ride. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Alright, so we're gonna test the pure video mode of the X5 versus the X4. Yung X4 walang pure video mode. So susubukan natin yung pure video mode ng X5 para makita natin yung comparison ng dalawang camera pag gabi tayo nagfi-film, which is this summer. Para magamit natin ang Insta360, kailangan gamit natin tong may pure video mode. So also one thing that I noticed, di ba nakikita nyo tong ilalim ng X4 tsaka ng mga older series, yung quarter thread na ginagamit nila para ma-mount siya. Yung X5 meron na siyang yung parang clip-on. Sinubukan ko siya sa mount ng Ace Pro 2 natin, gumana siya. So yeah, that's our other differences. But other than that, supposedly it's the same size, same case. Actually mas magaan to kasi ito parang 200 grams, ito 206 grams. Parang yun yung difference nung weight nila. But the best part is the new sensor. So yan, Insta360 X4, Insta360 X5. Ito lang, meron lang siyang protective case. Kasi ito yung adventure pack. Ito parang regular ko lang siya kinuha. Alright, let's go test it out. Alright, we are downtown again. We are testing the X4 versus the X5 Insta360. So here on the left side, or your right, as you can see, the X5 I think has a better night mode quality. Yun yung tinatawag nilang pure video. Dito naman sa ating kabilang side, itong X4 wala siyang pure video mode. Kaya I think it's darker, pero maliwanag kasi dito kung nasan tayo ngayon sa downtown. So yeah, that's the biggest comparison I guess for the night shots pagka nagbi-video tayo sa gabi. So hopefully it's a good upgrade. It's a worth the upgrade ba kung tawagin. Pero I think that concludes our testing for the day. Hindi naman masyadong technical yung ginawa natin kasi hindi naman tayo reviewer. And I'm only basing it on the kumbaga real world usage for my experience. So yun lang yung masasabi ko dun. So thank you guys for coming with me for today's video sa ating pagtesting ng bagong Insta360 X5. Actually ride tong ginagawa natin eh. Kasama natin si Omar TV, si Pogi tsaka si Jeff. So babalik na tayo sa vlog na yon. Tinatapos ko lang tong vlog na to para matapos natin yung review. Alright guys, we'll see you guys on the next video. Maraming salamat for coming with me tonight, or for today as a whole. So that's it for us. God bless everyone and be a blessing to one another. Peace.